This paper proposes to investigate the content of large text corpora using WIMBD. WIMBD stands for What's in My Big Data. WIMBD is a set of tools that enables practitioners to easily explore and quickly analyze large language datasets. This tool is also used to provide some of the first measurements across different web scale datasets that are directly comparable. If you go to their paper, they also show a very good diagram which shows the two fundamental components of WIMBD. The first component is a search tool that enables programmatic access to search for documents containing a query using an Elasticsearch index. If you don't know what Elasticsearch is, Elasticsearch is a search engine that allows retrieving strings from a corpus, the documents where they appeared, and the number of times they appeared. Second component is a count functionality, which is built using MapReduce that allows quick iteration over an entire dataset and extraction of relevant information. When I say relevant information, what it means is the character length distribution of documents, duplicates, domain counts, finding personally identifiable information, and much more. Another good thing about this WIMBD is that it is extendable and can be used to index, count, and analyze other corpora at scale. This has been supported by Allen Institute for AI, and they also have a GitHub repo where I couldn't find the code, but as per this paper, the code is already there. So keep an eye on the GitHub repo of LNAI, and you might see the code sooner or later. Maybe they have removed it temporarily as I'm making this video. Okay, so by using these tools, w- which is what's in my big data, the researchers have performed a set of 16 analyses on 10 different corpora used to train language models, including C4, the pile, red pajama, and few others. Then they divided their analysis into four categories: data statistics, data quality, community and society relevant measurements, and also cross corpora analysis. This paper presents many insights into data distribution and anomalies. For example, one of the cool one which I really in- liked is inspecting the distribution over document lengths exposes anomalies where specific lengths are overrepresented relative to the neighboring lengths. We all know that data is important, and there have been repeated calls for machine learning practitioners to provide better data documentation, and this is where it this paper helps a lot. So huge kudos to all of these researchers, which you can see on your screen. They have done a wonderful job in terms of analysis because this has been bit of an ignored area, but I believe that they have done a wonderful job, especially the way they have open sourced this BD's code and artifacts. This will help a lot in order to standardize the set of evaluations for new text-based corpora. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.